Hey guys, today I am going to use a transfer that is from last June. That's right, I used this a dozen times last June and look, it's still alive and ready to go. So I figured that'd be really cute to put on the back of my vacation t-shirt because hey, why not? Okay, so we are going to go ahead and measure out that design, and the way that I do that is I pull that sleeve down, and if the bottom of the sleeve on a t-shirt meets the middle or thereabouts the middle of your design, then you're right in that right spot where you want to be, where it's not going to be too far up on the shirt and it's not going to be too low. You definitely don't want your design on your belly. So I just go ahead and use that. T-shirts are super simple. Now if you're using a long sleeve shirt or you have a 3/4 t-shirt or you just want an easier way to do it, you can go ahead and measure about 1.5 to 3 inches down from the collar, and that would also put that design nice and center on that shirt for you. Okay, and with my sticky ink mat in place, that t-shirt is stuck down, my transfer is stuck down, nothing's moving. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a mini squeegee. I am using all ink, right, because we want to be able to wash it. And the colors that I'm using today are Bright White, Cadet, which is that dark blue, and then an Ocean Mist for a lighter blue. And it kind of came out as like a blue-gray on this shirt, and it looks super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and let this video run through. At the end, what I did not show you guys is that I went ahead and heat set it. You heat set at 350 degrees with your Easy Press for 30 seconds. Or you could use a household iron on medium heat for 4 minutes with no steam. Either option works. Keep it super simple, guys. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy. Hey guys, I'm going to pop on again real quick just to show you this technique. If you are taking your time with these transfers, don't hesitate to peel it up and release your ink or your paste from your transfer silk screen, and then you just gently put it back down and continue working. This is a really great tip for those of us who like to chat a little bit more, or anybody who just kind of wants to take their time and really enjoy the process. So you just peel it up. It's called a peel and peek. You peel it up and then you just gently kind of put it back down. If you're doing this, make sure that, like for this transfer, I would make sure that that swim is adhered. So I'd just run my fingers back over it before I put the paste or the ink in. Super simple, guys. I hope you're enjoying it.